Welcome. In this video, we will show you how to use the so-called Quick Track feature to quickly book Outlook appointments to projects and thus manage your project time tracking. Let's get started. Start InLoox web app and click on Track in the menu on the left. Then switch to the Calendar tab. If you are using the feature for the first time, you must first give your consent for InLoox to read your calendar. To do this, click on Connect Microsoft account. This may open a Microsoft window in which you must accept the authorization to read the calendar. Once you have given your consent, on the left-hand side, you will see an overview of all your personal calendar appointments. On the right-hand side, you will see your project favorites. You will see either an orange or green dot above the respective day. This traffic light system marks days with fully tracked appointments as green and days with untracked appointments as orange. Now search for the desired calendar entry that you would like to book on a project. Drag the appointment from the overview to the right onto the desired project in which you want to book the time. By default, the subject, date, and duration of the appointment are automatically transferred. As soon as you release the mouse cursor, you have successfully booked the calendar entry in the project. The calendar entry is then marked as tracked in the overview. Of course, you can make further adjustments and edit the time entry, for example, if the appointment is taken longer than scheduled. Private appointments or appointments that should not be accounted for can be ignored. To do this, simply click on the Ignore button next to the relevant appointment. Our tip: at the top edge, click on the 3 vertical dots to define whether ignored elements should be shown or hidden in the overview. There, you can also determine how much data from appointments should be visible in the time entry. If you activate the slider, Include Appointment Body, the content of the appointment is also transferred to the time entry. You have further questions about this or other InLoox features? Then contact us. We will help you quickly and easily. All contact details can be found on our website inloox.com.